Hello, and welcome to Claritysoft. Today I will be showing you how to use the new encryption feature in Claritysoft. Encryption allows the admin to set up encryption keys so that different users can write notes to one another without everyone being able to see these notes. The admin will need to determine who can see these notes. Only the admin has the right to set up encryption keys. Encryption keys can only be created through the desktop application of Claritysoft. Although the encrypted notes can be viewed and submitted from both the desktop and mobile applications, they are intercompatible. I will begin by showing you how to set up an encryption key and how to set up the users who can view those encrypted notes that you create. You will first go to Tools and then go to Customize. Once the Customize screen has appeared, we click Users and then we click the little plus sign here. Then go to Encryption Keys. And the next step is to add an encryption key. This can be done by clicking the Add button at the bottom right of this screen. So we'll click Add. And now we need to give this new encryption key a name. So we're just going to name it Jeff and Scott only. Okay, make sure it's enabled, and then press OK. Then the Edit Encryption Keys screen will appear. From here, basically, we can select which users we want to be able to see these encrypted notes. So we will go select Jeff, and we will also select Scott. And then we make sure it's enabled, and then we press OK. And as you can see right here, it's created our encryption key for us. We can click it once again, and we can see that Jeff and Scott are the only ones that are going to be able to see this encryption key. Alright, so then we press OK. And now the encrypted key has been created. After we've created the key, we must first sync. We sync that so that the key is loaded to our server or your server in that particular case. So after we synced, what we need to do now is we need to go to Database and we need to refresh reports. Okay, so now what we can do is we can go to a particular contact and add a note to them. So in this particular case, we're going to go to Joe Calla. Okay, and then we're going to go down here to Notes, and we're going to click Add New, and we're just going to say Jeff and Scott only again. Alright, and then you go down here to encrypt, click that. Then it's going to ask you for your encryption, so you push this little arrow here, and we're going to select Scott and Jeff only. Alright, then press OK. And now your encrypted note has been created. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to sync so that the note goes to everyone that it's supposed to be conveyed to, in both the mobile and the desktop application. Alright, so what we'll do now is we'll check and see if Scott can view this message. So we'll go to Open Database. Alright. And then we'll type in Joe Calla again. And as you can see, the encrypted note that I've created before for Jeff and Scott only has appeared in Scott's notes for Joe Calla. So what we want to do now is we'll open it for someone who the note wasn't intended for. So let's see if we open in Brittany if she can see the note. And we'll go here once again, we'll type joke out. And as you can see, Brittany is not able to see this encrypted note that we've created for just Jeff and Scott. So that is the idea behind encryption. So we can make it so only the users that are specified are able to see these encrypted notes. Any other user that is not given permission for those keys will not be able to see the encrypted notes. So I wanted to thank you for watching this video today and listening to me.